ఆ ప్రమోషన్ పెట్టమని చెప్పాను ఒకసారి. సరే.
Okay, so they're building an audience. Ishwar Verma, hello. And Akugan Varda, hello. Arya Nikhil, about Allu Arjun. I don't know Allu Arjun personally, so there's nothing I can talk about him. Happy New Year to you too, Sai. Darling Shiva, Happy New Year to you too. Ishwar, Happy New Year in advance to you too. I am good. Debo Jib. Hi Rock. Naeem Khan says hi. Altaf Sheikh says what's happening? Well, Facebook Live is happening. Hi Rashmi, how are you? Do I have any crush? Do I have any crush or do you have any crush? One word about Shekhar Master. Oh, Shekhar Master is a fun guy. Really. Chala manchi aina, at the same time chala he's a very sporty person and he gels so well. Vishal Dev, you look beautiful, girl. Thank you. Next movie enti meeku telustadi. Who is your favorite actor? I don't have any favorite actors. I only connect to the characters that they play in the film. And somebody say my dress is very bad. I'll try doing better next time. Happy New Year. Thank you. Same to you. A lot of Happy New Year wishes coming in. Thank you so much, guys. Are you with makeup or without makeup? Does it matter? Take your coat off. No, dude, I'm not doing that for you, Saeed. I'm not taking my coat off for you or for anyone. Admire girl, how have you been, Bhupal? Thank you so much, Bhupal. I'm good. One word about Sada. Very cute she is. Your dress super. Thank you, Rock. Rahul Sharma, you are so sweet. Thank you so much, Rahul. I'm sure you're equally sweet. Sudhir, your crush. I don't know if my Sudhir is my crush. Hi, say hi to Nellore, guys. Hi, Nellore, guys. What do you feel about Khiladi number 150? Well, the boss is back, right? So that's what I feel about Khiladi number 150. Hi, Rashmi. I missed that question. How is it being in Zabardast show for 3 years? It's been Zabardast. Tell me about Sudhir in one word. Very good professional. Sidhu Jonnagala, who's your bestie? I don't have a bestie from the industry as such. You look so lovely. Thank you. Say something about Sudhir which we don't know. I don't know everything about Sudhir. What can I tell you? How long is your hair? Well, this is how long my hair is. One word about NTR. Well, I do not know NTR Garu personally, so there's nothing much I can tell about him. When are you coming to Vizag? I am not sure yet. I will post my plans when I have one. Thank you so much, Musku. Thank you for calling me sweet. Balaji Ghanta, next project, you will know about it. You know Bengali? No, I know Oriya, but I don't know Bengali. I like you so much. Thank you. I like you too. Please, Mega Family Film wale ante వాళ్ళు ఆఫర్స్ ఖచ్చితంగా. Sarfaraj Khan, Happy New Year. Thank you so much, Sarfaraj. A lot of Divya, Lucky. Hi Rashmi, how are you? I am good, Divya. How are you? Kiran Kumar, how are you? I am good. Is there any next project related to movies? Yes, there is certainly, and we will talk about it once I am ready to talk about it, but not today. Today it's all about you guys and me making the best of the last 2 days of this year, and I did not want to lose out on this opportunity because I've never done this. In fact, I never Facebook live cheyaledu, and I thought this was the perfect time to go live on Facebook when I also get a chance to wish all my well-wishers out there a very Happy New Year in advance. About Mahesh Babu. Well, I do not know Mahesh Babu Garu personally, so there is nothing really I can say. Films, yeah. Tell me about your hobbies. Well, I as of now do not have any hobby, but yeah, in my free time I to watch a lot of films. I do. Sheikh Pujari, Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you too. Gopal Krishna Neelkantam, where are you, Rashmi? I am right now in Vega's office. Rishi Naidu, are you going to pub this new year? I don't know. I haven't made any plans yet, but I will think about it. Thanks for the option. Hi Rashmi, voice is so cute and you look so beautiful. Zabardast Khatarnak comedy show. Thank you, Surendra. Thank you so much. And I'm glad that you like me in this voice. I have a throat infection, but thank you. You made my day. And somebody says I look bad without makeup. Well, sorry, but get used to it. Yeah. How about Anusuya? Well, Anusuya, I have a lot of respect for her, and because I think it takes a lot to do what she is doing, and I always wish her all the best from the bottom of my heart. Hi Rashmi, what's your next movie? Well, I will talk about it when it's ready. And somebody just said I am very boring. Well, sorry, I cannot be 24/7 entertaining. Prithvi says my eyes are so cute. Thank you, Prithvi. Shivram Krishna SRK says Happy New Year. What's your next movie? Well, about the movie, we'll talk about it when it's ready. What is yours tomorrow's plans? Vashi wants to know. Really, I'm not really thought. I packed up last night and at 2 o'clock pack up ayindandi. We were shooting for Shankranti special episode. Lots of actors in it. So anta chesi sarigi we packed up at about 2-3 in the night. So by the time I slept, it was really late. So Prasthan Kaite, I haven't planned anything. I just woke up, got ready, and I rushed here to come live and to have one-on-one chit chat with all of you. So after this live, I'm going to think about what I'm going to do tomorrow. MD Shazad says you're so cute. Thank you. Naeem Khan says worst anchoring. I will try to do better. Yeah. Who's your favorite Telugu? I do not have any favorite actors as such. Golden says natural beauty. Thank you. Any words about Shantanu? Fun guy, yeah? Fun guy. Amazing dancer. Because I worked with him, so I can say so. Remy says, I said greetings, darling. What happened? Thank you so much, darling. Same to you. Greetings. Rakesh says, say my name. Okay, my name is Rashmi. Oh, a lot of people saying my voice is very nice. You guys are really sweet for making my day. Nizanga Cheppalante, thank you so much. Thank you so much for making my day. The throat infection also, if you're loving my voice, thank you. What did you eat in the afternoon? Arun Tej wants to know. I haven't had lunch. I just got up, got ready and I came here. A lot of people saying Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you, to Nagarjuna Gupta. Amit says, I'm so cute. Thank you. Venki, Happy New Year to you too. Your smile is so cute. Thank you. Please check last comment. Take care. Well, Balbinder, the comments are just going one by one, upper. So, if there's something you specifically want me to look into, you'll have to type it again. David says, why no reply? Reply to what? Looking awesome. Thank you, Nagafani. Paramita Das says, SHURT, shirt up. Well, I can't do that. Sorry. Your best moments with regard to what? Now you're speaking Telugu very well. Thank you so much, Ramya Rajkumar. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you giving me that compliment. As I am a non-Telugu girl, so I really appreciate that. Yashwant Reddy not replying. Replying to what? Nee voice bagundi, interaction kuda bagundi with both English and Telugu. Thank you so much, Sai. So after this live, you go have your lunch. Yes, Uday, I will. I am hungry. In a while, you'll start hearing my tummy also grumbling. Vinny says, I love you, miss. Thank you so much, Vinny. MD Masoom, hi. Hi to you too. Happy New Year in advance, Rashmi Gautam. Thank you so much, Lucky Nagesh. What's your native place? Baby. Well, baby, my native place is Vizag. Prashant says, you're great without makeup only. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Paramita Das says, Happy New Year. Thank you so much, Paramita. Aren't you the same girl who just said shut up? Or some shirt up? Riyaz RK. IHAT. I have no idea what that means. Okay, Jayan says, you're looking cute and princess. Thank you. Change your hairstyle. I'll try. But I'm a little stuck up kind of a person. Yeah, I don't allow changes that easily in my life. Be it my food, be it my clothing, be it my hair. I'm a stuck up kind of a person, so it's not easy for me to change. But if you think that I should change something, I would suggest. So yeah, so mira di chepte dan batti I probably might make some changes. Swati Shri, you're superb. Thank you, Swati. You like Vizag or Hyderabad? Well, heart is where home is. So yeah, Vizag is home. My family lives there, so definitely. Arun Tej, I love your fitness. When did you check out my fitness, dude? Srinivas, say Jay NTR, say Jay NTR, say Jay NTR. No, I am not going to say Jay NTR. Zabardast suits you, don't think about movies. Well, Kiran, life is about evolving. So, Zabardast is happening and it will keep happening, but at the same time, as an actor, as a performer, as an entertainer, I have to try new things. I might fail in them, I might succeed in them, but I have to keep evolving. So I am not going to be just doing Zabardast all my life. Thank you so much. Any crushes in Zabardast? No, sweetie, I have no crushes in Zabardast on anyone. What's your favorite color? It's yellow right now. One word to say that Khiladi number 150. One word, Khiladi number 150. Krishna says, oh my god. Looking angry to whom? Vijay Jangir. I'm not looking angry at all, dude. Shripal Patil, you are a beautiful anchor. Thank you. I love you dances. Mastan Mas. Thank you. Please show your hair length. I'm not taking my band off. It has taken a lot for me to just put it back in here. Purna Prabhat says, nice voice, Rashmi. Thank you, dear. Feroz Khan, you're so cute. Thank you. Sai Chandu says that he loves me. Thank you. Nandana Kishore, photo shoot only. I don't know what that means. Be calm, girl. Pavan, I am calm. Yellow, haha. Sayed. Srinivas Reddy, Malgi Reddy. OMG. Love you, Akka. Thank you, sweetie. Charan Raj, thank you so much for calling me beautiful. You're simple, super. Bhaskar Bachi, thank you. Sridhar Kamutala, you're so cute. Thank you. Why are you so late? Traffic, and I'm also not keeping well. And at the same time, I packed up very late in the night, but I did not want to miss out on this opportunity. So, yes, I had to be here to spend some time with you guys before the year comes to an end. So, yeah, sorry for being a little late. Why you never reply in Facebook page, can I know? Well, my Facebook page is handled by Vega Entertainment, so I do not have a personal access to it for being able to reply to each one of you personally. And there are pretty much close to 3 million people out there who post questions and suggestions. So it's not that easy, and I think all of you should be a little gentle on people who have their own pages, because it's not that easy, really, guys. It's not that easy, but yes. And okay, we have these platforms like Facebook Live and all, where it's more easier to answer your questions. So please be gentle on all those people out there who who have these Facebook pages and all. It's not that easy, but we try. Every artist tries their best to be able to connect with their well-wishers. But yeah, be a little gentle. Don't leave Zabardast at any cost. Lose her knee, may the bound they. Okay, as of now, I'm not leaving Zabardast, so don't worry. I'm pretty much there. Please, you take rest. I will. Thanks for the concern. I am from Kerala. Any plan to work with Malayalam industry? If some good script comes by, yes, why not? Venkatesh says, Sujit Baga Kodutunnadu, answer matrame ivatledu. I want to see your smiley face. Watching Pathas only for you. I am not on Pathas. Remuki is on Pathas. It's like a businesswoman in this black dress. Thank you. I mean business. Sujay Nirmal. Please spell my name. Sujaynirmala. Who handles your Instagram page? Instagram page is handled by Vega. What's your dream role? Many. I want to do Sridevi's Kaate Nahi Katte Ye Din Ye Raat. I want to do that. Yeah, that's one of my dream roles. Ceci Kumar says you're so beautiful. Thank you. Shekhar. Hi, beautiful madam. Thank you. Your first entry. Check out Wikipedia. Are you anyone loves? Maybe, maybe not. I saw you in Vizag just a few days before. You look awesome. Thank you. If you did spot me in Vizag, it's been quite some time I've been to Vizag, but just in case you saw somebody alike, thank you. Your Smolly is super. Oh, thank you. You're so beautiful. I like you. Happy New Year. Hi. Hi, Rashmi from Odisha. Yes, my mother's side is from Odisha. SPS says, hi beauty, thank you. Khasi Reddy Subbu, Sudhir and you lovers? I will ignore that question. Are you in date with anyone? Raju wants to know if I'm dating anyone. Other than that, something personal, and you really think I should put it up out here in public? No. Are you come to Rajmundry, please? Ismail says, I will when I get the opportunity. When are you visiting Vizag again? I put it on Facebook. I will when I'm visiting Vizag. Golden Brahma says, you are lucky. No, I know, maybe. And I hope I am. Which is your favorite movie? Tons of them, yaar. Imagine, I mean, I've lived some amount of life, so yeah, I must have tons and tons of movies. There can never be one favorite movie. But yeah, as of now, Dangal. Yeah, I watched Dangal very recently. I liked it. Yashwant Reddy, laughing, please. He. Hi, friend. Good evening. Advance Happy New Year. Thank you so much, D. Vishwa. You look fab in sari. Thank you, Raju. Thanks for appreciating. Do you like to act with Pawan Kalyan? Definitely. You are awesome. Please come Anantapur. Definitely. What's your plan on December? What's your plan for December? What's your plan? Okay, no plans yet. But yeah, definitely we'll catch up with some friends and my family members. Yeah, that's the plan as of now. Let's see if something better comes my way. Chandu, Shiva, smile please. Shrikant Bala, Happy New Year! Oh, Gopal Pundi Deepak wants to know my number, and my number is 123456789110. Shrinu Alu says, I love you. Thank you. Why are you getting excited? I am excited because this is my first time live on Facebook. I have all the reasons to be excited. You're looking cute. Thank you. Thank you, Shrinu Vasu. Happy New Year, Rashmi Tejaswini. Thank you so much. You're a nice anchor, says Murli. Thank you. Who designs your costume? They will be very nice on screen. Okay, so Rakesh wants to know who designs my costume. Well, people, I do have a couple of designers who work with me, and yeah, thanks to them for making me look as pretty as I can be. Thank you. Happy New Year. Could you please explain about your New Year plans? Everybody wants to know my New Year's plan. Well, sadly, I don't have a New Year plan yet. You still not answer my comments, and the name is in Malayalam or Tamil. I'm not sure. Your WhatsApp number. Oh, it's 12357910. You're looking different today. Yes, I'm tired. Ceci says, hi, Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you, Ceci. Are you drinking alcohol? So Murli wants to know if I am drinking alcohol. Yes, I do drink alcohol once in a while, but when I do drink, I drink responsibly. Shabazz says Happy New Year. Thank you. Madhu Shri Kalam. Happy New Year in advance. Same to you. Hi, hello Rashmi Garu. A very good evening. Shashidhar says Happy New Year in advance. Thank you so much, Shashidhar. Okay, so Sujay Nirmala is put His number, Baba. How bold are you? You want me to announce your number here, huh? Tollywood anchors ranking list. One Suma Garu. Okay, so M Venkat has put a list. Well, I really can't go through it right now, but I will later. How do you feel with D Jodi? Well, antamandi manchi dancers ni perform cheyadam chusetappudu, of course I feel very privileged, and dance has evolved so much. Now dance does not only have steps and grace, it also has a lot of acrobatics to it, for which these dancers really work hard. So it's a privilege watching them perform live. Do you have mine? I think sometimes it's not working right. Chetana Moni Shekhar says, okay, yeah, you know, I am not a genius, so my mind cannot keep working 24/7. Yeah, especially when I sleep, it does not work at all. So yeah. How to contact you to have an event? You can contact Vega people. Yeah, you can, and they'll pass on the information to me if they find it genuine. Your reaction to punches on you in Zabardast, Raju. My reaction is always smiling, because ఆ పంచెస్ వల్ల ఇంతమంది అక్కడ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు వ్యూవర్స్ వాళ్ళు స్మైల్ చేయగలుగుతున్నారంటే ఐ ఫీల్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్లీ హ్యాపీ అండ్ బ్లెస్డ్ అబౌట్ ఇట్. Ram Mantir, what about Sudhir? I don't know. When he comes live, ask him. When are you married? When I'm ready to marry, I will marry. Who's gonna win D Jodi? I hope somebody from my team. Are you hip to nice people? Ooh, I wish. One word about Roja. Dilip wants to know. Well, she's a dynamic lady. I have a lot of respect and regards for her. Hi Vega, welcome to Dubai 2017. Hi Vega. Somebody wants to say welcome to 2017. Yeah. So there are a lot of hays and highs, and Madhu says Srimukhi chala bagunnavu. Abba, thank you so much Madhu. Nalo meeku Srimukhi kuda kanipichindante. Will you be part of Bahubali movie if you get a chance? Yes, why not? Will you marry me, my beauty? Ravi Teja, you don't even have a display picture, Babu. ఎలా చెప్తా? You are looking very nice. I like you a lot, sis. Thank you. Hey Rashmi Gautam, can you please tell me what toughest word for you in toughest word for me in Telugu? So many are. What's your favorite wine or vodka or breezer flavor? Oh, Murli wants to know my favorite poison. Well, I don't have one. How old are you? John Paul? How rude is that? How can you ask a woman of age? Mean. People talk to you and say, where is the relationship? Is Srimukhi your sister? No. Srimukhi. Oh, hello. All we anchors are not brothers and sisters. We don't hail from the same family. Some people think Anu and me are sisters. Now people are thinking me and Srimukhi are sisters. No. We are sisters, but from different mothers. Black dress lo chala bagunnavu. Thank you so much, Ajay Teja. Do you married me? Ismail Sayed. Dude, it is too early, yaar. We have just started our conversation. Shah Mani, nice picture. Thank you. What's your next project? Today it's all about Facebook Live, guys. Hi, Ding. You are my favorite anchor and marry me, Ding. We have just started our conversation. Give it some time. Where are you, Rashmi? Sujay Nirmal wants to know where I am. I am in Vega's office. Vega people should put a board behind me now. And how are you? Come you give punches to Sudhir and Pradeep. Well, sometimes appudu naaku kuda chance dorukte nenu kuda esesta. Not that I'm as good as them. What's your favorite food? I love Chinese and South Indian food. I'm an extreme anamata. మొత్తం స్వీట్ తినేస్తా, లేకపోతే మొత్తం కారం తింటా. నైస్ స్పైక్స్, నైస్ అవుట్ఫిట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఐ లవ్ యూ అబ్బా, బట్ ఐ నాట్ వాంట్ టు లవ్ యూ బేబీ. మురళి అసలు ఏం చెప్పావు అబ్బా. Safina Sheikh says, Rashmi, love you baby, thank you. Can I love me? I do love myself. Say hi to Hyderabad boys. Hello Hyderabad boys, how are you? What's your favorite dog? I am not a dog person. You are beautiful today. Thank you. Panch Pataka. Sandeep Gaud M. Yeah, Panch Pataka. Your favorite hero. I do not have a favorite hero. Pradeep Kumar, you are missing out my messages. I'm sorry, Pradeep. So many messages are coming in, na? So త్వరగా పైకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. So if there's something specific, please do write it again and I will answer it. Who is your favorite actor in Bollywood? As I said, I connect to the characters they play in the film. I do not have any favorite. Nice Telugu, Kotala Maheshwari. Thank you, Kotala Garu. You're not replying my messages, baby. Call boy Bangalore. Call boy. You're so pretty. Aye. Thank you, guys. Thank you for all those lovely compliments. Nice talking style. Naku chala baga nachutundi. Thank you so much, Sharat. I'm glad you like it. Arun Kumar Reddy says, you're gorgeous, Rashmi. Thank you. Akhil Gowda asking me my age. Again, how rude is that, Akhil? You do not ask a lady her age. On a public platform, at least. Kamalkar says, hi. Akshay is saying, madam, please, one wish. What is the wish? Mani Kanta says, nice dress. Thank you. I love you, Rashmi, but like sister. Thank you, Santosh. Hi, Akka. Say hi, Shweta. Hi, Shweta. Sandeep, simply your best. Thank you. If you give chance, where you want to spend your leisure time? Many. Other than my bedroom, there are many other places I want to spend my leisure time in. By the beach, on a nice lounge chair, with a nice cocktail in my hand. Amazing, no? You're looking so handsome. Thank you, Anjan. Thank you so much, Akhil, for appreciating my outfit. Your voice was awesome, Rashmi. Thank you so much. All you guys are being very sweet about my voice. I know it's very bad, but thank you so much for making my day. Uday Bhaskar says, your smile is very important to me. Well, that's one. This one is for you there. Are? Gafur wants to know my age. I'm not telling you my age. Who's your favorite hero? Guys, I do not have a favorite hero as such, for a very simple reason being, I connect to the characters that the particular actor plays. So I do not have any favorite hero as such. No, I connect to the characters they play. If I like something about them, I like the characters they play. So in connect aithe all characters to connect avuta. And that's how I like them. So I do not have any favorite actor as such. Lots of highs coming in. You're looking cute, madam. Thank you. Rashmi, looking forward to see you in Australia on 17. Can't wait to love you loads, be a superstar. Oh yes, I will be in Australia. I will be in Australia for Sankranti, which is around on 14th, 15th and 16th, around that time. But my visa still has to get through, so it's too early. I don't want to look unprofessional, so that's the reason I am personally not promoting that part yet. But yes, I am scheduled to be in Australia around 14th, 15th, 16th for Sankranti. Okay, somebody says that my age must be around 40. Well, if I can look so naughty at 40, be it. Thank you. Since you like the character, who's your favorite cartoon character? Oh, I always loved Pokemon. As a child, I watched a lot of Pokemon. Thank you so much, Bishwat, and a lot of other people who are sharing my video right now. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Spread the word. Your Telugu and English teacher's name? Golden. Well, back in school, Telugu was not the language which I took up, so I do not have a Telugu teacher. But yes, my English teacher's name is Revati Sharma, madam, and I love her a lot. She's my favorite teacher. Hi, ma'am. Nenu Ramkant Nalgonda. Ramkant, hi. good profession. Thank you. Ma'am, your Telugu improved. Good, keep it up. Thank you so much, Sujata. Raju, any sad moment? Life is full of sad and happy moments, so there is not one. Rashmi, your height. Yeah, this I can say. I'm about 5'4.5". Your anchoring is very cute. Thank you so much, Venu Chaudhary. What's your favorite place? Many are. When are you ghosting New Year? Rahul, what is ghosting New Year? I don't know what ghosting New Year is. Aman again. Aman Yadav wants to know my age. I am 105 years old. Happy? Sad moment in your life so far. Come on, guys. The year is coming to an end, Raju. Let's talk about happy stuff and let's talk about all the good things. No sad moments. Aditya Raj Singh, stop telling lie about what? What movie film doing now, ma'am? I'm shooting for a film called Shivranjani with Nandu. New Year resolution for 2016. अरे रुकनो है यार, पहले खाना खा लूँ उसके बाद I'll think about New Year resolution 2016. Oh yes, I will act with Hrithik Roshan. Do you like Malayalam movies? Yes. I think some of the most amazing storylines are in Malayalam films. Any special day in your life? Guys, so many special days in life, yaar. I am asking you repeatedly, you were not seeing mine. What is it, Janvi, honey? Tell me. What is it that you want to know? That you want to know. Sorry, I'm rolling. Where are you now? Vega, please put a board behind. Everybody is asking me, where am I right now? I am at Vega's office, guys. Vega, guys. Just not the red wall. We want a board behind which says Vega Entertainment. What's your remuneration? Getting me into trouble? Have you visited to Chennai? Yes, quite a few times. Director which you don't like? Oh, ignoring that question. Prasad Naidu and 66 other people shared my video. Thank you so much and I appreciate it. You're psycho pitchy. Thank you. Not easy to be psycho pitchy. After this live Yalamanchili Abhinay, I'm going to go get some food. Please say hi to my whole family. They are watching your live. Madhu Shrikalam Garu's family, namaskaram. Thank you so much for watching my video live. I really appreciate it. So many family members out there watching it. Thank you so much. What are your hobbies? Next. Who's your favorite dancer in Telugu? I think Allu Arjun is a fabulous dancer. Kasi Reddy wants to know what's my next film. I'm shooting for a film called Shivranjani with Nandu. My mom enjoys a lot when you speak in Telugu, sis. Daddy Joji Jo. Oh, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for liking my Telugu. Thank you. Thank you so much, auntie. Thank you. Sorry, my spelling mistake. Rahul Jeshwal. D Jodi is one of the best programs you have done. Of course, Zabardast is also very good. Thank you so much, Nagadamodar. Hi, Sudhir, girlfriend, darling. Srinivas says you're the worst lady. Okay, sorry. I know your age is 29. Okay, Charan. I hope your guess is right. I am from Srikakulam. Tell all the viewers. I'm not from Srikakulam, but yeah, hi to all the Srikakulam guys. Hello, pumpkin, hello, honey, bunny. Hello, honey, bunny. Thank you, Gane. Okay, would you like to get married with Salman? Muhammad Abdul says something very rude. Guys, you should be putting that kind of stuff on a public platform, you know. That's not a good thing, Muhammad. That's not a good thing, yeah. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. And all those guys out there who are posting some really, what do you say, derogatory stuff. Well, it speaks it speaks a lot about you guys. So don't put such stuff on public platform. Don't do that. It's not a good thing. You know, it's not a good thing to write derogatory stuff out here because it speaks volumes about you, not about me. So remember that. Okay. I'm in Australia. When are you coming? Around 15, 16, 17th. Yeah, around. What's your favorite actor? I don't have any favorite. Rashmi Garu, I like your anchoring. Vanshika Konda. Thank you so much, Viri. Naeem Khan calls me Bujji. Thank you. Okay, something coming in Urdu. Sorry, I can't read Urdu. If you miss Sudhir, there is no other unluckiest fellow in the world. Well, what can I say to that? Sudhir is so missing me. Hanuman Andela says so sweet. And 77 more people. 77 more people have shared my video, and I really appreciate that. Don't be angry, cool down, baby. Okay, Gopal, for you I will cool down. Nishnath says birthplace. Why is that? What are you doing? I am doing Facebook Live right now. Favorite actor in Tamil? I have no favorite actors. Jagish Viswat says, will you leave Zabardast if you got chance to act with Hrithik Roshan? I don't know. We'll take a call when we get there. Nishnath asks me my birthplace. Why Zag? Dream director to work with. I'll let you know. No, nothing going on. My mind work cheyatledu. I am hungry. Can you just hum a line from Bollywood? Shashi says. With this voice, no. Any siblings? Yes. Ravi Shankar Sharma says overactive. Okay, I'm gonna just sleep and talk to you now. Vinay says you're so cute. Thank you. Helcon Verma says hi Rashmi Garu. Thank you so much, Helcon Verma Garu. Amit Kumar wants to know next film ain't Shivranjani, I think you're not interested to reply to girls. No, Rekha, I want to. Just there's so many questions coming up. I'm kind of missing it. Hey, Rashmi Gautam, whom do you like the most amongst the Zabardast team? Leaders as in like friends. I like all of them, yaar. It's just really about the skits that they do. నువ్వు నీ ఎదవ తెలుగు మామూలుగా మాట్లాడొచ్చుగా. ఇప్పుడు నా ఎదవ తెలుగు ఉన్నప్పుడు నేను మామూలుగా ఎలా మాట్లాడతానబ్బా? ఎదవ తెలుగు ఎదవలాగే మాట్లాడతా. Auntie, you're doing overaction. Sorry. Grishwa Chaudhary. You're so cute, Silver. Venkatesh JV. Thank you. How many languages learn you? Okay. Ding, you're my favorite actress, Rashmi. Thank you so much, Karthik. Bhaskar Bashi, I like you because of your Rashmi. Okay. Kittu Rock asks, who's my favorite hero? I do not have a favorite hero. You're looking good. Thank you, Prince. You're gorgeous. Thank you, Prashant. Hello, baby. Thank you, Krishna. God bless you, my friend. Happy New Year. Thank you so much, Rahul Gomez. A very happy New Year to you too. Do you like to go to the gym? No. Going to the gym is not my favorite part of the day. But since the profession demands, I have to once in a while, at least 5 times a week. I try. Are you married? Okay, I'm going to ignore that question. Karthik Reddy says, you're my favorite actress. Thank you so much, Karthik. Will you say your secret to tell me? No. Sachin says, love you, dear. Thank you. I have a girlfriend named Rashmi. Oh, Aditya Raj Singh says, okay, your girlfriend's name is Rashmi. That is so sweet. And thanks for sharing that out here. What's your pet name, Anthony? No, I'm not putting it up out here. You have a cute face. Thank you so much. What's your plan for New Year? Once I get some food into my tummy, I will think about it, certainly. One word about Megastar's movie, The Boss is Back. New Year plans yet to make? Okay, thank you so much. How are you, Rashmi? In advance, Happy New Year. Thank you so much, Naveen. ఏదో మాట్లాడాలి అని మాట్లాడుతున్నారు కాదండి ఏదో మాట్లాడడం కాదు ఇక్కడ చాలామంది మీరు కాకుంటే ఇక్కడ చాలామంది ఉన్నారు వాళ్ళు మంచి మంచి క్వశ్చన్స్ పోస్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు సో ఐమ్ ట్రైంగ్ టు ఆన్సర్ యాజ్ మెనీ యాజ్ ఐ క్యాన్ అండ్ ఇక్కడ నేను వచ్చింది మాట్లాడడానికి సో ఏదో మాట్లాడడం ఇస్ ది ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్ సో నేను మాట్లాడుతున్నాను ఓకే సో యూసుఫ్ and about 83 people just shared my video, so I appreciate it. Thank you. Go on, share it and spread the word. Your anchoring is so sweet. Thank you, Ashok. Favorite tourist spot? I like Goa. Different times of day, different spots. Okay, what should I write to you to get a reply? Sheesh, I just replied. I don't know, write whatever you want to. But not bad stuff, yeah, come on. Thank you, Aditya. Prashant, thank you so much for calling me hot. Ashok Kumar wants to know my remuneration. Arey, why do you want to know my remuneration? Whatever my remuneration will be with me only, I'm not going to give it to you. Wow, randomly got into live cast. No, this was pretty much planned. Hello, I love you, sister. Thank you so much, Shri. Thank you so much. I love you too. Zabardast anchoring will be awesome anchoring. Thank you so much, Amir Khan. MV Maran, you never reply me. Post your question and I shall reply. Please tell me how to contact Yash, the dance master. Well, you can go on to the D Jodi page and yeah, you can probably ask his contact out there. I am not allowed or entitled to pass on his contact out here. Uday says we met once in this shoot. Okay, that's great. Advance Happy New Year and thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Yuva. Okay, what's your mom and dad name? Okay, that's private. And Ram Chandra Akka, your next movie, Shivranjani. Say hi to Vamsi. Hi, Vamsi Anna. I will gift you Saradon. I don't need it right now. I don't have a headache. Next stage show of yours. Nothing right now planned. Will you support new directors? Yes, if they are that talented, yes. Can you talk about Telugu industry? What do you want to know about Telugu industry? Every industry is the same. Simple and humble, love you. I am Subin from Kerala. Thank you, Subin. Really appreciate those compliments. 5,000 people have reacted to this video so far. Oh, thank you. Srinivas, you're my favorite. Thank you. Where did you come together? I don't know what that means. My girlfriend face is totally Xerox of yours. Oh, okay, Aditya. Great to know that. I have a twin somewhere. What's your brother name? Well, that's private. I like you from Holi. Oh, my film Holi. Yes, thank you. Rashmi, I'm a huge fan of you. Love you. Thank you so much. You're Harish Kumar. What are your new movies? Well, you will know. Follow my page. Yes. Okay, Mahinder Reddy Rock. Okay. Happy New Year. Thank you. Hi sis, who are you? Mati Vicky wants to know who I am. Well, just go through my page. You'll probably find something interesting. Tell something about Superstar. Arey, so many superstars here. Which superstar do you want to know about? Lakshman Kumar says Happy New Year. Thank you so much. A very Happy New Year to Vasu. Pasupuleti says I love you. I love you too, Vasu. Hi, you are like Tamilian boys. I don't know what that means. Oh, what can I say about superstar Rajnikant Garu? He's a legend. He's a legend. And I love all the Rajnikant jokes. Happy New Year says... No. New Year says Happy New Year to Rajnikant. Okay, 89 more people shared my video. I really appreciate that. Thank you. What if you get a chance to act in Power Star Pawan Kalyan Garu's movie? Well, if I get to act opposite Pawan Kalyan Garu, why not? Thank you so much. A lot of people appreciate my anchoring in Zabardast. Thank you so much. Oh, Prabhas is hot. I like his body. Harish says, oh my gosh, you're so cute. Thank you so much, Harish. I love your anchoring. Thank you so much, Kiran. I love you, Rashmi. Thank you so much, Ishwar, Neil. Say I love you, Venkatesh. Say I love you, Venkatesh. Ola, Majam Unviso. Heman Ramos. Ola, something I understood. Baki sab nahi. Say about Illapati Vijay Anna. Vidyasagar says, many dumb girls out there, they should take you as an inspiration. Oh, okay. The dumb inspiration, be it. Mose Jabraj, black and white. Sahitya Anand says, Madam, please say I love you to me. Okay, I love you. Happy New Year, Rashmi. Your acting is good. Thank you so much, Ramesh Ram. Please do dub smash. Honestly, I am not much of a social media person. So that is the thing, you know, dub smashing and all, not my piece of cake, but I will try. I did, when my movie Guntur Takis released, I did do a few dub smashes, but yeah, I'm not really much of a dub smash and, you know, those application kind of a person. But yeah, I'll try. I'll get there someday. Hey Bhagwan, why are people so keen on knowing what my remuneration is? Why are you not doing dubs, please? It's not really my thing. Doing dub smashes and all, not really my thing. I'm not that proactive. Rehan Sharma says the song, please, not with this voice. There's so many people chala sweet ga ee video ni ippudu prasthaniki share chestunnaru. I don't want to scare them away. What's your ambition, sister? Shri, I am at an age and I am at a point of my life where I cannot really build new ambitions. So I guess I'm doing what I've always loved, which is being in front of the camera. So I'm pretty much close to what I want to do. Your chair is nice. Yeah, this is Vega's chair. Nice chair, Vega. One day I will marry you. Akhil Gaud wants to marry me. Dude, no. Never judge a book by its cover. You'll go mad if you get married to me. Karthik Kumar and 94 other people shared my video. Appreciate it. I appreciate it. What would you do if I get a chance to act with you, with Surya? Oh, I love Surya Garu. I think he's a versatile actor. The way he molds himself for a script, be it making or breaking his body or whatever it takes for the script, I really appreciate that. Really, I love Surya Garu. I love him. In fact, Surya Garu was there for my Tamil movies audio launch, Contain. This was around in 2010. So yeah, he was there at the audio launch, and a very sweet and a very humble guy. Anup wants to know, when will you act in Tamil movies again? If some really good script comes my way, I will. Say something about Mahesh Babu Garu. Mahesh Babu, handsome. Kotala Mahesh Reddy says, you need to learn punch dialogues. Well, I am not a comedian to learn punch dialogues. There are a lot of comedians out there. So yeah, they will learn the punch dialogues and they will say the punch dialogues and I will react to it. That's about it. Please come on my screen. Oh, yeah, why don't you do that? Laddu Sheikh says, me dance ante chala ishtam. Thank you, Andy. Nice eyes you have. Thank you so much, Lucky. The pissed alarm says, hi Dee, you're so sweet. Thank you so much. Hey Angel, you're special for me. Thank you, Suraj. Ishwar Verma says, you're so hot. Thank you. And Happy New Year, Jagesh. Say one word about Samantha. Oh, she's so cute. Speak a few words in Tamil. I do not know Tamil. Can you give me one chance for a propose you? Oh, Chanti, you will have to find a chance yourself. A girl does not give a chance to the guy to propose. He has to find a chance to propose her. Sai Shruti, you're not reading my messages. I just did. Sorry, sweetie. Too many messages coming my way, so I must have missed it somewhere. Advance Happy New Year to you too, Sudha. Me way of dressing Bagudi. Thank you so much, Ashok. You're so cute. Thank you so much, Kiran. I love your black dress. Thank you so much, Madhu. Go and get some food, ma'am. I will. But I think this is more important right now, more than my food. You're not smiling. Okay, Kavita, there you go. This is for you especially. I love you, madam. Please wish me New Year's. Happy New Year, Kalyan Babu. Please talk with a smile, Rashmi Garu. Okay, I will talk with a smile like this. It's not that easy to talk like this. What's your best fave for me? Email best. And I missed that question somewhere. Rashmi, when will you do Kannada movie? When some good script comes my way. You only act in Telugu. Then why are you not speaking in Telugu? Okay, Venkat, let me tell you something. Uh, if there is no Zabardast, what will you have done? Let's see. When I don't have Zabardast, I'll figure something out. And all those people who are asking me to talk in Telugu, when you post a question in Telugu, I reply to it in Telugu. But when you post a question in English, I will reply to it in English. And also to all the people out there, I am a non-Telugu speaking girl. I do not come. My mother language is not Telugu. So the least what I think everybody should do is appreciate the fact that I have embraced Telugu and I'm trying to learn it. So yeah, I think one should be appreciative about that fact rather than being like, oh, తను తెలుగు సరిగా మాట్లాడదు, తను ఈ తప్పులు చెప్తుంది, ఆ తప్పులు చెప్తుంది, ఇది కరెక్ట్గా చెప్పట్లేదు, అది కరెక్ట్గా చెప్పట్లేదు. అరే నేను ఒక నాన్ తెలుగు స్పీకింగ్ గర్ల్ అమ్మాయిని, అయినా నేను తెలుగు మాట్లాడడానికి ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను and I'm doing my best. So I think you should be appreciative about it rather than being like, you know, ఇది కరెక్ట్ కాదు, అది కరెక్ట్ కాదు. Come on, I mean, we should be more accepting about this fact that a non-Telugu girl is learning Telugu, is trying to speak in Telugu. So yeah, please be gentle on me regarding that. So Sham says, Madam, can I take one selfie with you? Sure, let's take a selfie. Have you watched Sairat? Yes, Rehan, I have watched Sairat. I really like the film. Love you and Happy New Year. Thank you so much, Envy Rider. Who is the best answer, NTR or Allu Arjun? Shiva Prakash Chaudhary. Please don't put me into such kind of Dharma Sankat questions. I would like to date with you, ma'am. Arun, Putra, Sai Kumar. Not right now. Thank you so much. Shrikant, thank you so much for saying that I look lovely in traditional dresses. Will try to wear as many as I can in future. Hi for a long time, Pavan Venkatesh. Thank you. Awesome, Akka. Great answer. Tirupati Sarvanam. Thank you. A lot of people want to know my age. I'm going to ignore all the questions related to age right now. And Enduri Sai Ganesh Yadav says, you're gorgeous, happy new year. Thank you so much, Ganesh. Same to you. Agastya says, we met in Hyderabad, remember? Well, I must have forgotten, sorry. I want to hear about Pavan Kalyan from you. What do you want to hear about Pavan Kalyan from me? Your life is going like a racket. Don't look back, sis. Love you. Thank you so much, Kumar. What's your dream role, ma'am? Lots of them. Happy New Year. Thank you so much, Vincent. Happy New Year to you too. Your voice is very nice. Thank you. Take selfie with you, ma'am, in advance. Happy New Year. Thank you so much, Saitej. You are my girlfriend. Reddy Allu. Oh, is it? I don't know about that. Thanks for reminding me that I'm your girlfriend. So which is your food you're going to have after this live? Maybe some nice soup and maybe something grilled. Yeah. Say my name one time, please. Lucky. Luxian Lucky says. Yes, and Vega guys have sent me some water and some tea. Thank you, Vega.
Okay.
Thank you. So, some coffee and some tea. I guess the Vega guys heard that I'm hungry. They should send me some food also by now. So, Prema says, say hi to my girlfriend Shruti. Hi, Shruti. Rashmi darling, Happy New Year. Thank you, Maxi. 1000 comments, petta reply ivva. Rajeshri. నేను రిప్లై ఎందుకు పెట్టాలబ్బా, మాట్లాడుతున్నాను కదా. Arvind, I'm calling from Vega's office right now. Kiran Sai, the Sari wants to know my diet secret. Well, there is no secret to my diet. I eat everything. That's the reason you must have noticed my weight keeps fluctuating. అప్పుడప్పుడు లావుగా కనిపిస్తా, అప్పుడప్పుడు ప్లంపీగా కనిపిస్తా, అప్పుడప్పుడు సన్నగా కనిపిస్తా. Just live your life, yaar. One life. ఇంత కష్టపడే దేనికి, కొంచెం మంచిగా తినేసి బతికితే బాగుంటుంది. అది నా ఫీలింగ్ అనమాట. Of course, it differs from person to person, but yes, I love food, I enjoy food, and I think everybody should do what their heart says. You should not follow any certain standard norms where they say, okay, you have to be size 0, your waistline should be 24 or 26. It is good to be fit, and I think the most important thing is to be fit. If you can climb like 5 floors of stairs without panting or without going breathless, I think that is more important. being fit is more important than starving yourself or thinking about food constantly. I don't believe in that concept. I don't believe in the concept of dieting or letting go of food, because I think it's very frustrating. Imagine మీరు తినుకుంటా 24/7 you're thinking about food, because I've tried that. ఇట్స్ నాట్ లైక్ నేను పుట్టినప్పటి నుంచి నాకు తెలుసు ఓకే ఫుడ్ ఎలా తినాలి అట్లా కాదు. ఈవెన్ నేను కూడా ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ చేస్తాను నా బాడీతో, అండ్ ఓవర్ అ పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్ ఐ రియలైజ్ దట్ ద మోర్ యూ డిప్రైవ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఆఫ్ సంథింగ్ ఇస్ వెన్ యూ స్టార్ట్ థింకింగ్ మోర్ అబౌట్ ఇట్. మీరు డైటింగ్ అవన్నీ చేసి క్రాష్ డైటింగ్ చేసి ఫుడ్ తినుకుంటా సన్నంగా ఉండాలని అట్లా అనుకున్నప్పుడు అది కూడా ట్రై చేశాను, బట్ ఆల్ ఐ వాజ్ థింకింగ్ ఇస్ అబౌట్ ఫుడ్. సో దట్స్ వెన్ ఐ రియలైజ్ దట్ నో, I mean, I'm going to eat whatever I feel like eating in moderation, and I'm not going to think about fitting into a 26 waistline jeans, or I have to fit into a small size coat. No, it's okay. It's one life. Make the best of it. Raj says, tell my name. Raj, I just called out your name. Thank you so much, Arun, for complimenting on my dress. Ganesh, I sent more than 30 comments, read it once. I cannot scroll up, so you'll have to post it again. When Venu says, life boy use chestunava, no, I use Dove. Guys, I have an amazing family. Avinash, I have an amazing family. I have loads and tons of best moments with them. In fact, all my best moments are with my family. Power star to act cheyandi. Definitely Raghu akkadi nunchi offer vaste ఖచ్చితంగా చేస్తా. You're acting super. Anil Kumar says, hi Rashmi, this is Anil from Vizag. Hi Anil, this is Rashmi from right now. This is Rashmi right now from Hyderabad. I'm zoned out. Coffee, Raj. Tea kaadu, coffee. Baundi. Thanks to Vega. Best memory in 2016. Loads of them. When can you expect your next film, Rashmi? Next year. Tea babunda, coffee babu, Akhil. Naveen says, go clean your face. It's clean, sweetie. It's really clean. Super smile. Thank you. Deepak Datta says, Nikanta scene ledu. Okay. I am not going to make any comments about any individual actor as such. I'm sorry if I'm offending you, but this live chat is about me, so let's talk about me and you. Sachin, hi. Tripuram Chinna Mastan, my next movie is called Shivranjini. Tinali. Vinod Kumar, what about Sudhir? When Sudhir comes live, please ask him. He will know better about himself than me. 2 lines in Kannada, please. Bunny. That's it. I only know 1 word right now. I can't think of anything else. Nice actress Rashmi Kautam. Thank you so much, Manpreet Kaur. Venkat Reddy says he wants to marry me. I'm chatting start chestamu. Time padtadi. Yashwant Reddy, I'm drinking coffee. Thanks to Vega for getting me some coffee. Hi, how are you and where are you this time? Chandani, I'm at Vega's office. Sorry, Chandan Bharadwaj, I'm at Vega's office. Will you work hot? I don't know what that means. In poison coffee. Well, Vega is sweet to me. They still haven't added poison to my coffee yet. Maybe if I don't come back for a live soon again, probably they will. But no, not yet. I'm still alive, see? Half cup done and still alive. Because my mother tongue is Oriya. Ganne Shri Harsha Naidu says, hi Barbie girl, thank you. Vara says, what about Anusuya? What about Anusuya? Tell a few words about your rival anchor Anusuya Bharadwaj. Kiran, Anusuya Bharadwaj is not my rival. Uday says, leave some coffee for me, madam. Sorry, next time. It's tasty. Yashwant Reddy, tasty, yeah, tasty. Vegas coffee is tasty. Call my name and my girlfriend's name once. Prem and Shruti. Prem and Shruti! Okay, well, I do not do audio functions. And I kind of, that's that question just went up. Let me see if I can go back to it. Ram Charan, come on, answer this question. The question to you about you. Why is your anchoring so over bloated and over boasted thing in TFI audio functions? And do you think you can do it in a different way? Well, Ram Charan, I haven't done any audio functions till now. So I don't know how it is over bloated and overrated. I haven't done any audio functions. Bablu wants to know, do you like Sudhir? Of course, I have no reasons to hate him. Vivek GVT says, Rashmi, your eyes are so beautiful. Thank you so much. Sai Kalyan, about Guntur Talkies. What do you want to know about Guntur Talkies? Shrikant has just written something very, very derogatory, so I'm going to ignore that question. But Shrikant, that's a very bad thing. Very bad thing. Speaks volumes about your upbringing. Don't put that kind of nonsense out here. Are you Papa girl or Mama girl? Totally Mama's girl. Arya Nikhil says still hi to me in your style. Hi Arya. Speak to Telugu. You speak to English. Very good. Okay, Shiva Krishna. Hamid wants to know, who are you? Well, you have obviously liked my page and Andavalla, you are able to do live chat with me, Kabatti. Why don't you just go through my page and you will kind of maybe know who am I. Okay, so Prem, your girlfriend's name is Manadeepa Prem. Okay. Thank you, Augustus Hariharan. Hi, Bhargav. Tell my girlfriend name. Mugudan. How will I know your girlfriend's name? Looking nice, thank you. Are you in Zabardast calendar? Well, you'll have to wait for the calendar. Vijay Kumar, when are you going to get married? When are you get married? Okay, when I am ready for it. Okay, conversation started 25,000 comments so far. Oh, so sweet. Thank you. Sai Kiran says, looking great without makeup. Thank you so much. Majid Khan, are you single? Well, if I'm single, what are you going to do about it? Without makeup, so good, Rashmi. Thank you, Shri. Akka, when are you? Okay, do you believe in God? I don't believe in blind faith, but yes, I do believe in something which is stronger and which is much more above us. Yes. Rakesh, I just saw your comment. Vishnu Mekala, celebrity crush. None. Suresh Chandula, your boyfriend, where are you? I have no. Call my girlfriend name. Rashmi. Oh, Rashmi. Maxi, that's your girlfriend's name. Okay. But so many people want me to call their girlfriend's name. Guys, check with them first if they want their name to be called on a public platform before asking me to call out their names. Ballu Raju. Ballu, cheppesan me peru. Rashmi, which is your next movie project? It's called Shiv Ranjini. I did ask you over bloated them. If you did audio function, would you do it in a non-psychopathic way? Yeah, I will at least not try to kill people at an audio launch if that's what you mean when you call me a psychopath. What would you have been if you were not an anchor? Maybe I would have been a dietitian. What's special about this live? Okay, Shashidharan Pola, just another one more day to go for a new year to start. So I just wanted to be here to receive and give well wishes and wish New Year to all my well wishers out there. That's about it. Nothing really special, and yeah, but that was it. I just wanted to be here when the year is coming to an end and have a little bit of interaction with all you guys out there. That was the only intention. And whenever I am with you guys, I think every part of it is special. Sudarshan Sudha says, love you mental. Okay, thank you. What's special of Zabardast? Everything about Zabardast is special. If Zabardast is able to make so many people smile and laugh, so Prati Vishyam Zabardast is special, and it's not easy to make people smile or laugh. It's a blessing. So everything about Zabardast is special because it's able to spread happiness. Chala mandi tension nunchi relief avvadaniki Zabardast episodes malli chustaru. So yeah, I think everything about Zabardast is special. Nice hair, Rashmi. Thank you. Who is your inspiration? Chandu Reddy, Madhuri Dixit is my inspiration. I am a die-hard fan of Madhuri Dixit. Thank you, Ganesh Lukka. Thanks for complimenting my dress. Tapsi Alam, your voice is good. Thank you. Srikakulam is great. You're like wine, getting better every year. Thank you so much, Ashidharan Pola. Thank you so much, Suraj Yelkara. Thank you. Raghavendra says, please make Sandalwood movies. Yes, yes, surely. Arun Kumar, I just called out your name. Prabhas Garu is hot. The man has an awesome hot body. Rakesh, I saw your comment. Stop cribbing. Naresh, Babu, I have to count those many zeros. Yeah, thank you so much. Love you too. Hamid wants to know if I'm famous. No, dude, not at all. Hamid, I am not famous. No, I am not. Sing 2 lines from Guntur Taki is not in this voice. And I'm not a singer at all. I'm not even a bathroom singer. I'm very bad at singing. Okay, just go for it. And you're the best. I love your acting. Just do sensible. Okay, Suvansh Yadav, I will keep that in my mind. Do you love Sudhir? I have no reasons to hate him, dude. Bablu. Sai Prasad Yadav, love you, sister. Thank you so much, brother. Spell my name, please. Pavanvenkatsh. Call my name twice loud, please. Uday! Thrice I called. Okay, so Sai Arvind says, say hi to my sister Ammalu. Well, Ammalu, this is a hi from Rashmi on request of your brother Sai Arvind. Hi, Ammalu. That's so sweet of your brother. Yashwant Reddy says, Guntur Talkies, your acting is so good. Thank you. Sweetheart Reshmi, darling. Thank you, Gautam. Which skit is best in Zabardast? Guys, we've been doing Zabardast 4th year running now. So many skits, yaar. How can there be one favorite skit? Why are you so angry? Venkat Reddy asked. No, I'm not angry at all. This is how I am. Nishchal Garla asked, do you like me? Oh, okay, I like you. Say hello to my sister too, Teja. Manish Vivek Reddy Konnalu says, say hi to my sister Teja. Hi Teja, that's so sweet of your brother. Are you irritated, Rashmi? Agastya Hari Haran? No, I am not. Try comedy and horror genre in 2017. Venkat Ramana, sure. One memory from Khandain. When we were shooting for the beach song, yeah. So we had a little bit of patchwork in Chennai. So yeah, I have a lot of memories from that song. Tillu Poe says you are boring now. Sorry. Ramesh Rishi, please speak Telugu. Okay, ippadi nunchi nenu mee kosam only Telugulo maatladta. At least try chesta. Hi Rashmi, I love your anchoring. Thank you. Ippadi em cheyamantaru questions English lo vaste. How do I translate in Telugu and then talk? Is it? I'll try. What's your favorite team in Extra Zabardast? All teams are favorite, yeah. Call my name. Mugundan. Rashmi, full name. Rashmi Gautam. I like Hyper Adi's kid. I like your opinion on Zabardast Roja Garo. Roja Garo is simply an awesome and a very, very dynamic woman. I have really, really high regards for her because I know her personally and I've worked with her for close to 3 to 4 years now. So yes, I have a lot of respect for her. She's a very, very dynamic woman. Hi Rashmi, this is Naveen Gaur Tangabali. I love your show, each and every episode. Thank you so much. Okay, so Duke Smith has put his number out here. Sorry, I'm not going to put it out there. Chandru says GS. Oi, face close ga chupinchaga. Aithe nuvu phone దగ్గర నుంచి దూరం అయిపో. Do you like to act with Pawan Kalyan or Mahesh Babu? I would like to act with both of them. It's up to them if they want to act with me. Thank you, Ishwar Verma. Thank you for complimenting my black dress. Akbar Sayed, like you, Rashmi. Thank you. Okay, so Shruti and Prem, I'm done calling your name out so many times. I think you should be happy about it by now. Okay. Can you tell my I love you after my name? Okay, Satvik, I love you. Sai Kumar, Shalmana, I just called out your name. Okay guys, so it's time for me to go now. So I'm going to be here for another 5 to 10 minutes. So shoot your last questions. Yeah. Let's make the best of it. Well, my next movie's name is Shivranjani. Tell me about Pawan Kalyan sir. I don't know him personally, Vinay, so I really can't comment much on it. Bhavan Kumar God, any special guest role or song? No. Which is your favorite color? Yellow as of now. When are you going to act with Pradesh, darling? I don't know who Pradesh is. Sorry for the typo. I meant psychopathic, not psychopathic, which is eventually done now. What is it? That's a good question, Ram Charan. If a given chance, would you do an audio function without sucking up to the actors? Which is the way it's usually done. If there's a reason I do not do audio functions, then you just posted the answer on that question. Yeah, I'm not much of a sucker. So yeah, I don't think audio functions are meant for me, and I don't think I would be doing any audio functions in the near future until unless the concept suits my requirements. So does that answer your question, Ram Charan? Hi Rashmi Garu, my name is Prasad. I'm from Vizag, great fan of you. Thank you so much. Today I'm going to ask you a few questions. Okay, so okay, hold on. Okay, so see more. What is your next movie? When is your marriage? Last but not the least, I want to talk to you. Take a selfie with you when you come to visit. Pleasure talking with you, Rashmi Garu. Okay, who's your fashion designer? How's your first feeling that you're going to do anchoring in Zabardast? You're absolutely gorgeous. How do you take decisions if it suits your script or movie? How are you? Okay. So Prasad ABRK has sent me a list of questions and I'm going to answer one by one. First, he wants to know when is my marriage. Well, marriage will happen when I am ready for it. Nextly, who's my designer? I have a bunch of girls who are working with me and I really appreciate their hard work for making me look as pretty as they can. So yeah, we kind of come in terms about a few things mutually and we decide on what I'm going to wear. And the other question was about script, about how do I choose my scripts and all. Well, listen, I go by my heart. I listen to the script and I think of it in a certain way. So the rest is up to the director how they execute it. But trust me, the journey from listening to the script to the final output to how it comes out, it's really a long journey. A lot of changes happen in between because of different circumstantial reasons. So yeah, sometimes we succeed, sometimes we fail, but what matters is we've tried and I'll keep trying. And about the selfie in Vizag, let's see what we can do about it. Thank you so much, Ashok. Lal Singh Kevat, thank you so much for calling me beautiful. CH Ashok Tinnara. I will ఈ chat తర్వాత. Govind Raj, hi. Thank you so much. Love you too, Kiran Kumar. Advance Happy New Year's to you too, Prasad. Agastya Hariharan, I just call out your full name. Have a high five by saying my name. Manish Vivek Reddy, high five. Posa Swami, do you have a boyfriend? It's a little bit of a personal question. I'm not going to put it out here on a public platform whether I do or do not have a boyfriend. Uday Patil, I will invite you to my marriage. Pavan, thank you so much. A happy new year to you too. Which car do you believe? I am not a very gadget or an automobile person. I'm not. For me, a car is something which is required to go from destination A to point B. That's about it. Yes, Mahesh Putta, I do speak in Oriya. Sanjana Priya, your height about 5'4.5". So that's it. Thank you, Sai Prakash Parvati. Happy New Year to you too. Okay, so all those people who are wishing me a very, very happy New Year, a very, very, very happy New Year in advance to all of you too out there. May God bless us one and all, and let's hope that 2017 has no bad news, and there should be no natural calamities at all. 2016 has seen a lot of it, just not in our country but around the world. So let's hope that all those things which has been negative and which has been bad in our country and around the world comes to an end, and there's a lot of peace, and there should be no more unwanted deaths, and everything just should be nice and beautiful. So that's what I hope for 2017. And on that note, I would want to say a bye to all my well-wishers out there. Thank you so much for being there, and thank you so much for supporting me all through this journey, and it's been beautiful, and it's 2016 coming to an end, and let's say a lovely high at 2017. So yeah, bye bye to everyone out there, and keep pouring in your love. Bye.